Good morning, children. Welcome to class 6 Moral Science. Hope you are all safe at home, children. Lesson 1 Awareness. What is awareness? Knowledge of things. The moral for this lesson is respect for our environment. In this lesson, as you see in this picture, there are cutting of trees, broken bottles, newspapers are thrown, the airlines emitting gases, mills pumping out iron, oceans with thick oil crude, destruction of weapons. All these things are harming our environment. So how we can care our environment? By keeping our environment clean and green, and we can protect our environment by planting many trees. So first paragraph, broken bottles and charred pieces of glass, weighted up newspapers tossed on the grass, pouring of concrete and tearing out trees. This is the environment that surrounds me. So as you see in this picture, we are surrounded by all this type of environment. Poisons and insecticides sprayed on our food, oceans filling with thick oil crude, all sea life destined to a slow awful doom. These are the things we are to consume. So the insecticides are sprayed on our food. So on the crops the insecticides are sprayed to kill the insects. The oceans are filling with the thick oil crude. So when in ocean the oil leak is harming our environment. So all this causes the sea animals they are harmful to the sea animals. So the sea life is harmed by this type of environmental damage. So what are we consuming? The insecticides and poisons which are sprayed on our food we are consuming. So we should clean and have the food. Mills pumping out iron, expelling yellow fumes. Airlines emitting caustic gases from fjords. Weapons of destruction tested at desolate sites, and this is the air that's to sustain life. So the mills pumping out iron, which gives us yellow fumes, which causes air pollution and that harm our environment. The airlines emitting caustic gases, which also harm our environment. The destruction of weapons, so that also causes air pollution and harm our environment. There has to be something that someone can do, like raise the awareness to those around you. That is, we do not need the problem at hand, it's your life that at stake, the destruction of man. So what we should do? We should raise awareness around the people that we should not harm our environment and we should care and protect our environment. So this is a poem written by Sylvia Slutz, and the moral for this lesson is respect for the environment. So we should respect and care for our environment. More to read. An environment crusader. He is Jadav Payan, known among the locals as Mulai. Single-handedly, he has developed a huge forest on a 550-hectare sandbar in the middle of river Brahmaputra in the Jorhat district in Assam. He has been planting saplings for more than 30 years now, and his efforts have transformed the area into a dense forest. Many endangered animals, including the Royal Bengal tiger and the one-horned rhinoceros, abound in this forest. So by planting many trees, you can save the environment and protect the environment. Let's answer. Match the columns. An oil spill in an ocean. The answer will be kills marine life. Option D, kills marine life. Second one, plastic bags and broken bottles. Answer will be option A, pollute the land. Insecticides and pesticides. Option B, poison our food. Factories spewing out smoke. The answer will be pollute the air. Next, answer these questions. So the question answers will be sent in PDF. Next, option C, what will you do in this situation? Tick any one. Your school is about 10 minutes walk from your house. You will. Option A, ask your father or mother to drop you by car. Go by school bus. Option C, walk or use your bicycle. Option D, go with your friend on his father's scooter. So the answer will be walk or use your bicycle. It's only 10 minutes walk from your house. So you can either walk or use your bicycle. Answer will be option C. You are traveling with your family in a car. You have finished drinking a can of juice. You will. Option A, keep it in a trash bag to be thrown away later. Option B, toss it out of the car window. Option C, put it under the front seat of the car. Option D, hand it over to your mother. So what you will do after drinking juice? You should keep it in a trash bag to be thrown away later. So answer will be option A, keep it in a trash bag to be thrown away later. Third one, you go to the vegetable market with your father. The greengrocer puts the vegetables you bought in a plastic bag. You will. Option A, take the bag and leave. Option B, ask him to put the vegetables in the cloth bag that you are carrying. Option C, take the plastic bag, take out all the vegetables and put them in your cloth bag and throw away the plastic bag on the road. Option D, ask other people not to buy vegetables from him or her as he or she uses plastic bags. So the answer will be option B, ask him to put the vegetables in the cloth bag that you are carrying. Fourth one, you are in the marketplace. A young girl walking in front of you throws an empty wrapper carelessly on the ground. You will. Option A, keep walking and take no notice. Option B, pick it up and throw it in a dustbin. Option C, request her to pick it up and throw it in a dustbin. Option D, shout at her and ask her to pick up the wrapper. So answer will be request her to pick it up and throw it in a dustbin. Option C will be the answer. Fifth one, a tree plantation drive has been organized in your neighborhood. You will A, not participate in it. B, participate unwillingly. C, not welcome the move. And D, participate and encourage others to join. So what you should do? Option D is the answer. Participate and encourage others to join. Let's do and learn. Reuse, reduce, recycle and refuse are the 4 R's of keeping our environment clean. Fill in these words in the blanks. Each word is used once. Reuse old newspapers and magazines. The first one will be reuse. We can reuse the old newspapers and magazines. Second one, reduce the consumption of water. Reduce the consumption of water. So, we should use water as needed. We should reduce the usage of water. Third one, refuse disposable plates and cups. So, we should refuse the disposable plates and cups as these are made by plastics. Fourth one, recycle paper. So, we can recycle the paper. Next one, make a list of things that you use daily, then divide them into those that can be recycled and those that cannot be recycled. Put the recyclable things in a box. Every month, give the box to people who can recycle these things. So, whenever you are free, you can do this as an activity. So, what you can do? You can put the cyclable and recyclable things in a box and do this as an activity, okay, and make a list of things. So what are the things you are using daily and which can be recycled and cyclable things. Okay, so you can put it in a box and make a list of that. Next one, F. On a chart paper, write down a pledge that you will take on World Environment Day, 5th June. It must reflect how you propose to care for our environment. So what you can do on a chart paper, how you care for the environment, you can write as a pledge. So the World Environment Day is on June 5th. So you can do this also as an activity whenever you are free. Next, fill in this self-appraisal questionnaire. Tick only one option. After sharpening a pencil, do you throw the shavings in a dustbin? Yes, you can write this as a one-word answer like yes or no. So after sharpening a pencil, do you throw the shavings in a dustbin? Yes. Do you turn off lights and fans when you leave an empty room? So when you leave an empty room, you should turn off the lights and fans. So answer will be yes. Do you use plastic bags? No, we should avoid using it. Do you make a conscious effort to use less paper? So you should be conscious that you use less paper. So answer will be yes. Do you throw empty wrappers on the road? We should not do this. So answer will be no. Do you burn trash? So you should not burn the trash. So answer will be no. Do you make a conscious effort to conserve water? So we should be saving our water. So we should make a conscious effort to conserve our water. Do you trample on small plants? No. Do you buy environment friendly products whenever possible? Yes. So whenever it is possible, you can buy the environment friendly products which is not made by plastics. Okay. So hope you understood this lesson. So this is a poem Awareness written by Sylvia Slats. The moral value for this lesson will be respect for our environment. Next is wise words. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. Said by Shiv Shetal. There is enough in the world for man's need, but not for man's greed. These words are said by Mahatma Gandhi. The more we exploit nature, the more our options are reduced, until we have only one. Do fight for survival. Said by Morris K. Udall. So we should not exploit our nature. So we should care and protect our environment. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. These words are said by Helen Keller. So alone we can do only little things. So together we can do so many things, and we can care and protect our environment.